Hi guys and welcome to IPD. My name is Alex and we have next car in our PPF Bay area. It's Lamborghini Urus Performante and our task we have to apply matte PPF on it. So we have to cover all this orange section with the matte PPF and all glossy parts we will keep in a gloss PPF just to keep the original look of this car. So we have to apply PPF with the pre-cut method, and all of this orange section we will cover with the matte PPF, and the black glossy and carbon fiber kits we will cover with the gloss PPF to save the original glossy look. And I want to say the Lamborghini Urus is one of most complicated cars to apply the PPF, especially because of this form, and there is a multiple piece of it. I will show you in the next footage. I will show you how it looks on the software. You will be impressed. And on software, Lamborghini Urus looks like that. There's different colors for different place of car, and just to recognize it quickly, front bumper is the orange part. And have a look how many small pieces we have over there, and we have to recognize which parts we're going to be with the matte, which parts we're going to cut with the glossy. So for example, this biggest area, it will be orange, so we have to cut it with the matte, and all of this small section we have to cut it with the gloss, just to apply every single centimeter of bumper with the PPF. Finally, we are complete PPF application on this Urus behind my back, and I hope you enjoyed the video of process. From my side, I want to tell the installing, especially front bumper on this car, it's like a puzzle with the 10,000 pieces. You saw that template, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this video, put your likes, and see you in the next videos.